Assalamualaikum everyone, hope you all are fine. Today is my first vlog and here we are going to a sheep farm. If you guys don't know where do I live, let me tell you, I live in Denmark and these whole places are located in Denmark. We were so excited to go to the sheep farm. I will show you how I fed the sheep. And wow, this place is so amazing. The weather was so cold and windy. Can you see the sheep? Oh, I know they're so far away, but this farm is very beautiful. And do you know the weather was below 15? And let me tell you a fun fact about Denmark. Denmark is known as the most happiest country in the world. We found another spot which was also very beautiful, and there were also sheep, but unfortunately they were also far away. But we didn't give up. We keep on moving to find the sheep that were near to us. So here we find sheep. Actually it's a lamb. So I fed the lambs. It was so cute to meet this one. Can you all see the cuteness of the lamb here? I can't tell you how cute they were. Just check out the view. This was so amazing. Don't mind my voiceover. This is my first vlog. I'll try to do the best in the next ones. So after visiting, we are going back to home. We had a lot of fun. We met the sheep. We fed them. It was so windy. We were feeling so cold, and now we are going back to our home. But not without a crazy dew. Yay! Did you notice my bag that I was carrying was also a sheep? A pink sheep. I hope you like my video, and if you want to see how to make each selfie props, I will put the link in the description below. So don't forget to check it out. Bye bye.